Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word lacked. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The presentation lacked clarity and was difficult to follow. Lacked means to be without something that is needed or expected, to not have enough of it, or to fall short in a particular area or aspect. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.